Have you ever thought building an AI website would be easy? I did. I saw all these people launching beautiful websites online, and I assumed I could do the same in a few minutes. But instead, I ended up spending hours testing complicated website builders, watching endless tutorials, and trying to figure out things that felt way more technical than they needed to be. Looking back, I wish I had known there was a much smarter way to do it. So, to help make building your own AI website easier, here are 3 things I learned that can help you create a beautiful, professional website without the usual stress, confusion, or technical headaches. The best part? You don't need coding skills, you don't need design experience, and you definitely don't need to spend thousands of dollars hiring someone else to do it for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple idea to a live AI-powered website that you can share with friends, clients, customers, or your audience. And since thousands of beginners are now using AI-powered tools to build websites faster than ever before, there's never been a better time to learn this skill. So let's jump right into the first step. Step 1. Sign up and access the AI website builder. First, let's get everything set up. One thing that often stops beginners before they even start is the assumption that website creation requires lots of complicated software. Fortunately, that's no longer true. Modern AI website builders simplify the entire process into a few guided steps, which means you can focus on your idea instead of worrying about technical details. To get started, go to Hostinger and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. At first glance, you'll notice that the interface is designed to be beginner-friendly. Instead of dozens of confusing settings, you'll find clear options that guide you through the website creation process. Next, locate the Horizons AI tool from the dashboard menu. After that, click to launch the AI website builder. Within moments, you'll be taken to an AI chat interface where the website creation process begins. This is where things become interesting. Instead of manually placing buttons, designing layouts, or learning code, you're simply going to describe what you want. Think about that for a second. The same way you would explain an idea to a friend, you can explain your website idea to the AI. And that's exactly what makes this process so beginner-friendly. Many first-time users report that this is the moment they realize website creation has become dramatically easier than it used to be. Years ago, creating a website often meant learning HTML, CSS, and design principles before you could publish anything useful. Today, AI handles much of that heavy lifting for you. As a result, you can spend more time building your project and less time troubleshooting technical problems. Now that you're inside the AI builder, let's move on to the part where your website actually starts taking shape. Step 2. Describe your website and customize it. This is where the real magic happens. Instead of starting with a blank canvas, you're going to tell the AI exactly what kind of website you want. For example, you might type, "Create a modern landing page for a fitness coaching business with testimonials, pricing, and a sign-up form." Or create a website for my online course with a hero section, student success stories, and a contact page. The more specific your description is, the better the AI can understand your vision. After submitting your prompt, the AI begins generating your website. Within seconds, you'll see layouts, colors, sections, headlines, and content suggestions appear automatically. This is one of the biggest productivity advantages of using AI. Instead of spending hours deciding where every element should go, you receive a complete starting point immediately. Now here's an important tip. Don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first try. Many beginners think they need the perfect prompt right away. In reality, the fastest approach is to start simple and improve as you go. For instance, if the first version isn't exactly what you imagined, simply ask the AI to make adjustments. You can say things like, "Make the design more modern," "Use softer colors," "Add a pricing section," "Create a stronger call to action," "Make it look more professional." Each request helps the AI refine the website further. As a result, the website evolves closer and closer to your vision. Next, let's customize the content. Click any text section to replace placeholder content with your own information. Update your headlines. Add your business details. Insert your products or services. Share your story. Then move on to the images. You can upload your own photos, logos, and branding materials to make the website uniquely yours. Similarly, you can adjust fonts, colors, and layouts using simple editing tools. No coding required. No design degree required. Just point, click, and customize. Here's another productivity hack many beginners overlook. Before editing individual sections, ask the AI to suggest improvements. For example, what sections should a coaching website include? What makes a high-converting landing page? What content should I place above the fold? The AI can often provide useful recommendations based on common website structures that have been proven effective across many industries. This means you're not just building a website, you're learning website strategy at the same time, and that creates a huge advantage for beginners. Now, once you're happy with the design and content, it's time for the most exciting part: publishing your website. Step 3. Publish and share your website. At this stage, your website is essentially complete. The final step is making it available to the world. First, click the Publish button. Next, review your settings. Choose whether you want your website publicly accessible. Then confirm the publishing process. Within minutes, your website receives a live web address. That's it. Your website is officially online. Think about how powerful that is. An idea that existed only in your head a short time ago is now available for people around the world to visit. After publishing, test your website on different devices. Open it on your phone. Open it on your tablet. Open it on your computer. You'll quickly notice another major benefit. The website is automatically optimized for mobile devices. Since a large percentage of internet traffic comes from smartphones, this is incredibly important. Fortunately, you don't have to manually create separate versions for different screen sizes. The platform handles that for you. Next, start sharing your website. Add the link to your social media profiles. Include it in your email signature. Send it to friends and family. Share it with potential clients. Use it in marketing campaigns. The sooner real people begin interacting with your website, the faster you'll receive feedback that helps you improve it. And remember, publishing isn't the end of the process. It's actually the beginning. You can continue updating your website whenever you want. Need to add a new service? Edit the page and publish again? Launching a new product? Update the content and publish again. Want a completely different design? Ask the AI to generate new ideas. Your website can grow right alongside your business, brand, or project. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest questions beginners ask. How much time and money does this actually save? Let's compare a few common options. Hiring a professional web designer can easily cost anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on the project. Learning traditional web design from scratch can require months of study, practice, and experimentation before producing professional results. On the other hand, AI website builders dramatically reduce both the learning curve and the upfront investment. For many beginners, the cost can be less than what they would spend on a new pair of sneakers. More importantly, instead of waiting months, they can have a functioning website online within a weekend. That difference is huge, especially if you're launching a business, building a personal brand, creating a portfolio, or testing a new idea. What if I'm not creative? That's completely okay. The AI generates layouts, designs, content suggestions, and ideas for you. Your job is simply to guide the direction. What if I don't know what pages I need? The AI can recommend website structures based on common industry standards. As a result, you're never starting from zero. Will my website look generic? Not at all. You can customize virtually every element, including colors, text, images, layouts, and branding. The more specific your instructions are, the more unique your website becomes. Is this really beginner-friendly? Absolutely. If you can type a sentence and use basic drag-and-drop tools, you can build a website. That's precisely why so many beginners are adopting AI-powered website creation tools today. Let's quickly recap what you're gaining. First, speed. Instead of spending months learning web development, you can launch in hours or days. Second, confidence. You don't need technical expertise to create something professional. Third, savings. Many people save thousands of dollars compared to hiring traditional designers and developers. Fourth, creative freedom. You can bring your ideas to life without feeling limited by technical barriers. And perhaps most importantly, you're building a valuable digital asset that can help support your goals long-term. Whether that's growing a business, attracting clients, showcasing your work, or building an audience. If you've been putting off building a website because it felt too complicated, this is probably the easiest time in history to start. AI has removed many of the technical barriers that used to stop beginners. And now, instead of spending months learning how to build a website, you can focus on what really matters, sharing your ideas with the world. If you'd like to try the same process yourself, check out Hostinger through the link in the description. Explore the AI tools, experiment with different website ideas, and see what's possible. Then come back and let us know what you built. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials, AI tools, productivity hacks, and step-by-step guides designed to help you build faster and smarter. In the next video, we'll look at how to create content, automate workflows, and grow your online presence using AI. Trust me, once your website is live, that's the next skill you'll want to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.